Fatima bint Muhammad. She was the youngest daughter of the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, and his favorite. She married his cousin Ali bin Abi Talib and was the mother of the great martyrs of Islam, Hassan and Hussein. She was born in Makkah a few years before her father was granted prophethood. Though both Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, and Khadijah already had 3 daughters before her, they expressed great happiness at her birth. Going against the accepted custom, her mother did not send her beloved youngest daughter away to be breastfed in any of the surrounding villages, but kept her with her and nursed her herself. She loved her too much to entrust her to anyone else's care. Some years later, her father was declared by Allah to be his prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, and last messenger. She and her mother and sisters Zainab, Ruqayya, and Kulthum accepted Islam. She spent her early years under the loving and tender care of her parents. Zeal for the defense of what is sacred and love of the righteous was ingrained in her. Before Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, proclaimed himself the last prophet of Allah Almighty, he was the most popular, loved and respected man among the Quraysh. But once he announced himself to be the Allah's prophet and messenger, his whole life seemed to turn around. The streets he previously frequented were strewn with thorns and filth, and garbage was thrown on him from balconies and rooftops. Elaborate plans were made to murder him. Naturally, all these trials and tribulations could not but leave a mark on his home life. Fatima was passing the impressionable years of her childhood in the shadow of these events. Yet, her maturity was such that she faced all this with remarkable patience and determination. She fought like a courageous little tigress to defend her father and protect him. She would stand in front of him to shield him from the attacks of devilish men like Abu Jahl, Utbah, and Shayba.